As the world's leading manufacturer of high-density polyethylene folding tables and chairs, Lifetime Products has revolutionized the industry with their contoured chairs. Lifetime's chairs are perfect for your home, office, or next event. They are durable, lightweight, and best of all, comfortable. Lifetime stacking chairs have a unique contour design that makes them more comfortable than most chairs on the market. They have a wide seat and a tall back that supports you in all the right places, making them comfortable for all sizes and shapes. Constructed of high-density polyethylene and powder-coated steel, Lifetime stacking chairs exceed commercial furniture standards, ensuring superior strength and durability. And for those large work or family events, the stacking design provides space-saving storage for multiple chairs. The heavy-duty seat and back is UV-protected, durable, and stain-resistant. Unlike cloth-covered chairs, Lifetime stacking chairs are easy to clean and will not rip, stain, or fray. Our long-lasting materials are easy to maintain and convenient for a variety of uses. Lifetime chairs have an all-weather, rust-resistant powder-coated steel frame, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. So no matter where your event takes place, you can count on the durable, comfortable chairs from Lifetime Products. So take a look around and you'll see Lifetime tables and chairs everywhere. Homes, banquets, offices, and at the next group gathering. Our quality construction and comfortable contour designs have made Lifetime chairs #1 in the industry.